Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a new game step by step. First, dive into the rulebook. Understanding the fundamental mechanics, like how pieces move or cards are played, is crucial. Pinpoint the main objective and what it takes to win. Also, familiarize yourself with the initial setup and the very first actions players take. This foundational knowledge sets you up for success. Now, let's get hands-on. Carefully arrange all the game components as described in the setup guide. Once everything is in place, take your first few turns. Focus purely on executing the basic actions and understanding the flow of play. Don't stress about making perfect strategic moves right away. The goal here is to simply experience the game in action. As you become more comfortable, it's time to think strategically. Pay close attention to what your opponents are doing and how their actions impact the game state. Experiment with various approaches to achieve the winning conditions. Consistent practice is key. The more you play, the better you'll become at anticipating outcomes and making informed decisions under pressure. Finally, continuous improvement is part of the fun. After each game, take a moment to reflect on what went well and what could have been done differently. Watching experienced players can also offer valuable insights and new techniques. Remember, mastering any game takes time and dedication, so embrace the learning journey and enjoy every step of becoming a skilled player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.